Hello everyone and welcome to the Fundstate channel. My name is Michael, I will be the main one here speaker. This is a channel about the popularization of the topic of cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency trading. It will release simple 2 playlists, with market overviews, with price forecasts and forecast altcoins, a playlist with trading education. There are 48 topics planned for 48 weeks a year, starting with the simplest ones. What is technical analysis? In general, how the price is formed, what volumes are, what moving averages are. We have already talked about this. Episodes are recorded, ending with the most difficult ones, about the most complex indicators, how to find entry points, how to form risk profit, risk management, and all that kind of stuff. If you have an idea that you would like me to record a video about, you can write in the comments. I will definitely take it into account. Thank you very much for subscribing. Do not forget to like the video if it seemed interesting to you. We will trade and profit from trades in the cryptocurrency market together.